even up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Slow. How do we do this? Men zaida, woman zaida. 1, and then you go men 2 and 3, and you block here on the leg. Now you guide with the frame. Frame guiding, 80% leg, just 20%, and you go 4 on the leg. Girls on the right, boys also. Then with the left, just the girls 5. We block here with the hand not there because we're like that to the side. Then we go back 6, and then I push with the left. Guys, careful with the right leg. We have to close first. We go back. Break. 7. Before the girl puts the body weight on the right leg, she's still on the left. And we block her. 8. And now she makes styling if she wants to. If the girl don't do anything, guys, I block 7, 8, and she doesn't do anything. Then I go 1, 2. If not, it's embarrassing for the girl to stay and wait for you. And you just close. Okay? Good.